Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be discussing Amex Gold as compared to Amex Platinum and which is worth the annual fee. For those who are slightly confused, Amex is short for American Express. So again, we are going to be comparing American Express Gold versus American Express Platinum. Let's dive right in. So the first important thing to discuss is the annual fee for both these cards. Amex Platinum comes in with an annual fee of $695 as compared to Amex Gold, which sits at $325. As you can see, Amex Platinum is practically double the price of Amex Gold, but that is justifiable as Amex Platinum comes in with a boatload of benefits, which we will be discussing. Firstly, Amex Platinum is very useful for frequent travelers as you are provided with plenty of points for every flight that you book with American Airlines or with your American Express card. And it is very useful for hotels, and essentially it is very useful for overall travelers as compared to Amex Gold. It is catered to the USA, as in it is more towards Uber, restaurants, and small purchases in stores and malls. So again, American Express Platinum caters to a more international feel, whereas Amex Gold provides more of a small town US catered experience. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.